Hey guys, welcome back to Recodehive. This video I'm gonna unbox the limited edition Alexa developer figurine, which is exclusively for the Amazon Alexa developers. As you see, the box, I got the box just day before yesterday, and it's from Amazon, and it has mentioned like this is limited edition figurine made for the Amazon Alexa developer. Yes. So how to get this figurine? Just go to the Amazon developer website and make some app. The tutorial and the link is there in the description box. You can go to my machine learning playlist, and you can also develop the app for Amazon Alexa and be a part of this community. So you guys also will get this kind of goodies from Amazon, and don't expect too much. This is just a figurine, and this is exclusively for the Amazon developers, so you just can keep it's like a statue. You can just keep it on your desk or somewhere else, and you can show your friends that you are a part of Amazon Alexa developer. And yeah, more than this, you can also get t-shirt or have different varieties of Amazon Alexa goodies by making this app. All the tutorials and everything is there in the description box. I recommend you guys go there and develop the app rather than asking me how to develop and everything. So that's all about this figurine, and it's really beautiful. The package was not that much great, but still, for a developer, I really appreciate from the Amazon effort to to make the developer sounds worthy for making their app or publishing the app after spending a lot of time. So yeah, it looks great in my desk. So I hope you guys also will develop, and you guys also will get this figurine. Once again, the link is there in the description box. Don't waste your time, just go and build the app for Amazon Alexa.